Welcome back to another episode of Mars Anomalies. We're looking at new close-ups I did in Gigapixel AI of an old site I featured some years ago. This is at a site east of Ross in a region called Aonia Terra. The high-rise photograph is called USGS Dune database entry number 2592-602. Acquired on 30th of November 2018 at a resolution of 25 centimeters per pixel. I'll be showing you images cropped from a JP2 black and white map projected file. And there's a look at that strange dune field, and the anomalies are some of these larger white dots that I did close-ups on, and these litter this region. So the site's located here almost in the center of Aonia Terra at roughly 59 degrees 58 minutes south, 101 degrees 1 minute west. To start off with, we're looking at the weird object there. It looks almost like a capsized boat. Some type of sculpting, perhaps, who knows. This is what it looked like in the past when I used PhotoZoom Pro 7 to make the close-up. So here it is up close. Check this out. Looks almost as if this is folded over. It's sort of a half a barrel type of shape. Comes over the edge of here slightly as well. But this shape is also quite intriguing. Who knows what this could be, guys? Some type of wreckage. We're looking at the smaller item over there. It's about 4 meters in diameter. And we've got another one of these strange disc-shaped anomalies with what looks like a spiral shape, or like a ramp coming up to the top. Corkscrew type of design to it. We're looking at the heart-shaped object there. We get the symmetry and geometry in this shape. And then this odd piece on the top. Very smooth surface as well. Right, let's check out one of the usual suspects. This is about 5 by 5 meters in size, and this is a prime example of these anomalies I've been showing you with the smaller objects or protrusions in their centers. And then this rather odd piece. I've shown you 2 or 3 other items that look very similar. It looks like a narrow part wedged between 2 outer parts with a disc sort of sphere on the one side. Check that out. That part definitely goes to the back of this. So this is inside that rectangular opening. Another odd piece. I showed you something very similar to this. Very, very strange. There's a hole in this piece as well. What could this be? Some type of plant life, like something we find in the deserts that stores water. Or is it a fossil? We're looking at the disc shape there with a neat hole in the center. Also, it looks like something's hanging over the edge. Nice rectangular opening as well. In this oddball piece, another one of these parts. This one's got a sort of a square hole in it. I'm not sure if that's inside the hole or if it's on top, leaning over the opening. Another very strange piece. It's got this part on the top. Also looks as if that there might be a hole. Is it something coming out of this block? Right. Another one of these strange parts that looks like paneling or sheet metal. They're very straight edges, nice right angles, and then this part on the top looks like it's been crumbled up. Very small part over there. It's about 4 meters long, and again it's got very straight edges and the strange opening on the top. Another one of these very odd pieces. This one's got like a slot or long narrow opening in it. Nice disc shape. Object over here to the left. And then this too looks so much like metal. Could this be from an old mission, possibly one that failed? Don't know about. This looks like a piece of wreckage. And I'd say that piece is about 16 meters long. So whatever it comes off of, it is huge. And then this part, I don't know what to make of this. It's about 8 meters long, but the strange S shape to it. Carving? Who knows what this is? Or a huge fossilized bone. Really don't know, can't tell. Okay, down to the southern mid-latitudes to this site. We have Ross over here to the left, and then the anomalies I showed you. Just briefly for reference. Let's check out some other sites to the south. Still have to do new close-ups of these objects, folks. Intriguing pieces too. Lots of these items with holes or smaller objects in their centers. One last one for good measure. I'll definitely be doing new close-ups of these in the near future. With that said, this is the end of this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Share it with like-minded friends and family, see what they say. Perhaps we can come up with an explanation as to all these weird anomalies that I've been showing you over the past several years. Take care, everybody. We'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers for now.